In this video, let's talk about how you can customize your MacBook home screen, or as it's officially called, the desktop on your MacBook, right? So there are a few things which come to your mind. Obviously, you have the icons and folders which can be managed. You can move them around, delete them and whatnot. But if you also want to adjust the size of them, what you can do is to hold down on the command and press minus and plus icon, which is gonna just zoom them in, make every single icon larger and smaller. So that is a possibility as well. Of course, you can go ahead and just set it up exactly the way that you want. So it is pretty simple to just have it this way, right? So that's basically how, or the first thing which you can do about it. Besides that, you can also add widgets to the desktop on your Mac computer, right? So if you just right click on the home screen like that, what you have to do is to click on edit widgets, right? And then this slider is going to slide out from the bottom, and it essentially uses your iPhone's widgets, right? Even if app isn't really supported on your computer or anything, it can also be added from the iPhone, right? So you can easily just choose whichever option you want and just have it as a widget on your actual MacBook desktop, which is something we didn't really have the option to. So it's really cool that we have that, right? You also have some cleanup options and using stacks, right? So you can also just create a new folder or import something from your iPhone and iPad, right? So there are some things which you can tweak in here. You can also just manually, if you go to the settings for view options, you can also just, as you can see right here, choose a perfectly icon size the way that you want. You can also just select the grid spacing and text size and label position. So many things which you can pick from. So this also is another way to customize your home screen. And one last option, of course, is to go to the settings and tap on wallpaper and choose a different kind of wallpaper to match your aesthetics and just have like a different background. So yes, you can just tweak whatever you want. You can choose the Aerial Live wallpapers as well, and it's very cool. So that's it for me. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below if you managed to get it to work. Thanks a lot again, and I'll see you in the next video.